Hello, morning. It's Victory. This is our 2-wave and 3-wave with C-post beam. And this line is cassette type. We can check in this one and this one is for 2-wave and 3-wave. And on the machine, we already installed C-post beam structure. This is cassette design. This roller unit with these two, the 3 unit is for 2-wave and 3-wave, and this one is for C-beam with 2 sides. The way that we change the C, we use the collar. We change the collar. This is inside the sleeves. We change it, then we can get 2 sides. Input table, and this is gearbox with 2 motors in the line.